Hello, everyone. Good afternoon for everyone. And I want to talk about today and my new company, Hema's Travels and Tours. And if you want, come to Georgia. We guide for the venue before arriving. Please call me. And before my YouTube channel subscribe and like do the notification. If you want to my documentary also see for the under the documentary. And if you want to come to Georgia, welcome to Georgia for the everyone in the all the world. We are guide to has a tourism and how to come and slide training, and we are give the welcome package for the airport to if you are destination for the your tourism finish, and after go back to airport also and pick it up, and everything we are do it. Okay. And I want to talk about there's a lot of slice training, and now is summertime, and summertime lot of people encourage want to I want to encourage for the Rabati site. It's like they call in Akishale, and they call Rabati also, and they have to now young generation they calling for the Newcastle. It's a, like a everything is a green area, and Borjomi Pass, and after that Akishali, and Akishali is a main oldest town, and majority is 30,000 local people, and uh, they have the cheapest hotels and everything. We provide for the everything, and Akishali. And if you stay with the Akishali area in like 4 days or 5 days enough. It's a all tours. It's a very historical place, and after this is a like a border for the Ankara. Ankara is a Turkey border, and they have the everything, and calm down and everything, relax, not busier, and like oldest town, and lot of historical 9th century, 10th century like that have the kind of things. And if you come to Georgia, and I'll arrange for the Newcastle area, and after that so this is my new company. It's in Georgia. It's a Hemas Travels and Tours. I have three partners, and we are doing for the everything, hotel booking and reservation and everything, how to encourage for the immigration also, how to, they ask him why you are come to here. It's a first time passport holders, and other passport holders no problem. It's a Gulf passport holders or European passport also, they not ask anything. There's a powerful passport. And but it's in Asia, it's a Sri Lanka, Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh like that. They asking why you come to Georgia, and like that. And after that, they want to stay here, and that's why we are assist for the mind for the asylum seeker also. And charges, I'm not telling everything. And if you it's individually or group or something, and we are discuss for the over the phone, and after that we'll do it. And I want to another thing I want to tell. If you come to in Georgia tourism like that, and if you minimum on the spot, you are keep it the $1,000 for the show the immigration for the immigration officer. And they asking this is not necessary, but If you sometime random wise they ask, okay, show me the your how much your wallet you have, and like that. This is a not necessary, but like a random wise. That's why I told. And they ask him sometime, why you are come to Georgia, and I tell you tell for the you tell to I'm coming to only just 3 to 5 days, and after that we'll going to my occupation also there in my own country or some other country. This is my vacation time, 5 or 10 days, and after that we'll they granted the arrival. Okay. And another thing, if you want to something for any queries, I like for the briefly for some uh, uh, for the explanation, and individually call my hotline number 574, sorry, plus 99 574 118 424. Repeat it again, plus 995 574 118 424. This is a scenario. If you come, and most next time, and if you want to see the my Facebook link, and I give the Hemas Global Service and Hemas Travels and Tours. It's a two of them have. If you go to Hemas Global Service and check for the my Facebook link also, and that's the thing. And new update for the Hemas Travels and Tours, and that's why. And Hemas Global Services, my more than 20 years experience immigration trade, and that's why. And I we are doing the asylum also, we are doing the D1 visa also, and work permit also, and we start for the D1 visa also. And today I'm not talk about D1 visa or resident permit something. And if you want to tourism site, that's why I talk about to like uh, only tour site for the. And don't forget for the after finished my video, and everything subscribe and notification put it. And that's why if you come Georgia, we'll discuss and reliable our team, and I'll explain for the everything for the district. And don't come to Arabia or something for the especially Sri Lanka, and uh, Indians or Pakistan. It's a cheap airline, but they think about if you want to. They think about for the stay for here, and don't come to a cheapest airline, and come to I recommend for the Qatar Airlines and South Singapore Airlines or something Turkish airline, and will assist. If you don't want to, if you don't know how to book the tickets or everything, we are support for the tickets and everything, and hotel accommodations, and tour itinerary, and travel insurance, everything. And that's why. And individually, normally, all packages, and that like this, if you talk to directly call for me WhatsApp or anything, and we are support our team. Okay. And I really appreciate this is a Georgia open for the new tourism line. This is a tourism line is very good for in future, and lot of sea slide swimming and everything is mostly is good Rabati. If you want to see side, if you want to see the Black Sea also, Black Sea is a in Batumi. And if you want to investments or something, and if you take the apartment or something, if you want to real estate something, and we everything we are doing, and contact with my hotline number Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget for the my subscribe. Uh, subscribe for the like message, and we are doing. And my office also is in Freedom Square. And if you want to something and come to any time, Freedom Square is a religious building, and fourth floor, and come to any time and tell to my name is Sam, and talk to Sam, and that's why. And if you are available for the 7 days for the uh, your site. Okay, thank you so much, and have a nice day. And don't forget for the subscribe for the my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, everyone.